Ange, you're portraying Candice?
Yes, I'm portraying Candice, and Candice is a very, at first she's very meek because she always get bullied.
Okay.
But then, yun, the 4 bad boys, dumating siya sa buhay niya, and then she began to discover na her world na, hindi lang pala, okay na ako lang mag-isa. Masaya din pala na nag-open up ako sa ibang tao. Masaya din pala na, you know, I'm getting to learn the world like with the people who are important to me, and I'm getting to learn the world na I am fiercely and I am boldly out there. Na I'm not scared. Hindi siya scared sa mga discrimination ng iba kasi lagi siyang nabubuli nga kasi pangit siya, bruha lagi yung buhok niya, wala siyang ayos, ganun. So, parang ang saya na, kasi it really happens in real life.
I was about to say,
yeah,
it's a relatable experience.
Diba? Yeah, because everybody, may mga tao talaga na nabubuli, and this is a good book din na to read on na, we have to be gentle and we have to be good din to others because we don't know what they're going through behind.
Tama.
So, ayun, it's such a great story and I love Candice so much.
Eh si Jadon, bully ba? Ano ba? Bully ba yung character mo dito, Jello?
Medyo bully siya. Kumbaga si Jadon yung leader ng pack. Kung makikita niyo siya at first, sobrang tough, sobrang masungit, suplado, pero may bubog siya na kailangan niya maintindihan kung bakit mataas yung walls niya sa mga ibang tao. And kumbaga sa ending niya, kailangan niya na panoorin kung ano mangyayari kapag nagmahal na siya.
Oh, so love will change his his life or perspective or mood, okay. Diba? Okay. Eh si Marky, ano ba? Bully din ba si Marky?
Si Marky naman po, well, he's part of the 4 bad boys, pero I personally like to think of Marky, at least in the version na sinulat po ni Direk Bene, as yung parang anchor ng 4 bad boys. I think Marky kasi he's more observant, he's more quiet, mas tamed yung kulit niya. But I think in a way, kung kasing kulit lang ni Marky yung tatlong boys, if he's as aggressive as River or as kasing kulit ni Troyer, kasing sungit ni Jadon, I think the 4 boys would just be too much. So I like to think of Marky as the anchor. He's also a risk taker. I think he's really motivated by chance and that 50-50 thrill of not really knowing what's gonna happen, and that's in a way parang naging story engine ng movie na to. For reasons na hopefully you will find out if you do watch the movie. A lot of the events of this film start because of Marky's obsession with chance, siguro, or gambling fate, siguro po.
So, we keep on reminding everybody that this is a movie, ha? Isang upuan to, panoorin niyo. Hindi ito yung parang you're gonna wait for another episode next week. Hindi ganun. Isang upuan, napapanood niyo na agad to. Thanks, Harvey. Charles, anong sabi niya kanina? Masungit si Jadon. Aggressive.
Si Charles naman siguro is the most aggressive out of all the boys. Isa rin siyang bully, pero kay Candice lang. Okay. And that's because he is the older brother of Candice. And it's more of tough love towards Candice.
Parang hirap maniwala na bully ka eh. Kasi parang at Mr. Green Flag nga ang tawag sa iyo eh, di ba?
Makikita niyo sa movie. Pero si Charles Gonzalez, he's not just protective over his sister, pero protective rin siya over his best friends, which is the 4 bad boys.
Alright, so aggressive, masungit. Ano si Troy? Makulit. Okay, Dustin. Describe your character.
Ayun po, I'm playing the role of Troy Mendoza. Ayun nga po, nasabi nga po ni Harvey na makulit si Troy. Which is, totoo naman. And ayun, dun din ginawa ni Direk yung character ni Troy kasi dun niya nga nakita na ayun sa akin na sobrang kulit ko. And makapanood nyo din po doon kung gaano ka-lover boy si Troy.
Oh!
And
so sa grupo na ikaw yung lover boy?
Opo.
Okay.
Actually, hindi lang po ako kayo din.
Pero ikaw yung mas open.
Ayun po, mas open ako. Then kasi grabe siya pong mag-ano sa girls.
Okay.
Doon siya bully. Ayun talaga.
Flirt!
Opo, flirt.
Okay.
Pero
Chick boy!
Ayun po.
Yan. Okay. Thank you, Dustin. Ikaw, Brent, party ka ba ng bully group?
Siyempre kung may 4 bad boys, may 1 good boy.
Ah!
Yun po yung character ko doon.
So good boy yung yung character ni Brent na si Sean.
We'll see. You'll have to find out. Yun yung kailangan na malaman. Kung good boy ba talaga.
So parang medyo pivotal ang character mo dito, ha?
We'll see.
Well, let's see. Okay, next, si Annalyn, Stacy Chua.
Yeah, I play the role of Stacy Chua. I would say, based on the book, she's the queen bee, a cheerleader.
Are you a mean girl?
Yes.
Okay, are you a witch here?
No, not really, but she is a mean girl, but she has a heart. I would say that.
Meron bang heart ng mean girls? Meron naman.
Yes.
Okay. Sige, si Jella naman.
Hi.
Acting for the very first time?
Yes.
Yes! Oh, supportive.
Yeah, so yung character ko po is si JC Lopez. I am the older sister of Jadon Lopez. Funny no, Jello. Yeah. And what can I say about my role? She is a protective older sister. And medyo magulo ang love life niya. Dahil meron siyang affair. Yeah.
Interesting.
Abangan niyo na lang.
Abangan namin yan.
Yes.
Thank you, Jella. Crystal, as Kimberly Tan.
Yeah, so Kimberly Tan, she's a mean girl.
Yun, siya yung mean girl.
Yes, and ex po siya ni Jadon. And you know, when she starts seeing Jadon and Candice get closer, she suddenly wants revenge. So yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay, thanks for sharing all your character profiles. Let's open the floor for questions. Justin, we begin with Nika, Savio of Push. Nika, sorry kung ano yung binolunteer ko. Nika from Push, siya unang magtatanong. Si Nika. Oh, go ahead. Do you have a microphone there? Wala? Okay, ako na po nilapit sa'yo.
Hello guys! Congratulations! So my first question is for Jello. This is your first lead role, your first acting project. How do you feel working with this wonderful cast? And what similarities and differences that you have with Jadon and who is the inspiration? And you know, ano yung inspiration mo in portraying Jadon?
Okay, siguro ako yung aside sa pressure na nararamdaman ko na first time ko mag-acting, sobrang grateful din ako na nakasabay ko sila sa first project ko bilang actor. Kasi before this project, before kami mag-tape, yung iba sa amin magkakaibigan na and mas napatibay pa yung friendship namin because of this project. Ayun, along the way, habang nagta-taping and even before the taping, kapag nagpe-prep ako, I'm so happy kasi natutulungan ako ng mga kasama ko, ng mga co-artists. Kumbaga, hindi sila selfish na, ay hindi, ako lang may alam nito. Kumbaga, tinutuluan talaga ako. And yung difference siguro ng Jadon at Jello in real life is similarities muna. Siguro, may pagkataas rin yung walls ko sa mga tao para protektahan ko yung sarili ko from harm. And siguro yung pagiging leader, nagamit ko rin dun sa mga eksena. At saka, differences naman, I think, in real life, hindi ako masungit na tao eh. Sobrang welcoming ako sa kahit sino. And yung kay Jadon siguro, parang pinaka-take away ko rin dun habang ginagawa ko yung role is yung tough love. Parang sobrang naiintindihan ko siya.
Thank you po. And this is for Direct Benny po. Hello po sir, congratulations po.
Hello, Nika.
Working po with this cast, kamusta po itong dynamics nila? And some are parang season na, and then some are newbies po. And what are the challenges that you experience doing this adaptation?
Ang first challenge is yung how will they fit dun sa character na nagawa ni Tina. So yun, may mga assignments sila. So yun nga, obvious, he's the muscle, he's the mind, he's the fun. Tapos si ano is the lover boy, parang ganun eh. So para madali nilang kapitan. Overall yung cast, masaya tong grupo na to. Yun, and yun ang maganda dito sa when we were making the movie, exciting siya eh. Tawag dito, tsaka nafe-feel mo na yung, ay, when we're shooting it, ay, may magic to. Tapos yung nakita na namin to, nung sa audition pa lang eh, nung pinipila, kasi when you audition yan, let's see nga kung ano itsura pag magkakasama to. Nung tinignan namin, ang exciting nito. Eh, hindi pa namin alam na magiging sikat itong mga to sa PBB, may mga ganong exposure. When we're looking at them, parang, ay, may magic to. May magic tong grupo na to.
Thank you, Nika. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you.
Direct, the next set of questions will come from Reggie Bunuan. Reggie is here, but sinabi niya ako na magtanong ng questions for you, Direct. Base sa trailer ng For Bad Boys and Me, may hawig ito sa Boys Over Flowers at Meteor Garden. Ano po ang ibang mapapanood dito na hindi hawig sa mga nabanggit na series? And kayo po ba ang pumili sa mga bida or dumaan sila sa audition?
Dumaan talaga sa audition. Kaya may interview si o may vlog si na 3 beses silang tag dito pinabalik. Kasi after Me, we also presented them to management na tingnan nyo, ito sila So, it was a series of auditions, tapos yun, they proved na nakita namin sila Kaya natuwa kami. Tapos ano yung difference? I think ang difference sila, these actors. Ang similarities, it's both kilig, it's both fresh, nakakatuwa siya. Pero they will be the ones who will gonna make it different. Kasi kikita niya naman actually naglalakad pa lang natutuwa kami Tina parang we got a good batch.
Alright, thank you, Direk. Ang second question ni Reggie is for the cast. Yung cast na hindi pa sumasali sa PBB. Sino ba yun? Raise your hand nga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. May plano ba kayong sumali sa next season ng PBB Collab Celebrity Edition? At why? Kung ayaw nyo, why din? Kasi, let me explain. Yung question ni Reggie, may context yun. Sabi niya, kasi base sa resulta ng recent PBB collab, umingay yung mga pangalan ng mga sumali at dumami ang projects, even in endorsements. So, it was a good exposure, in other words, ang gustong sabihin ni Reggie. So, for the rest na hindi pa na PBB, would you be interested to join? Harvey?
I don't want to say no. I don't want to close the door permanently. Pero siguro now, and then the near future po, siguro hindi po muna.
Okay.
So right now, I'm very much focused on building a career and a diverse set of roles that I am proud of.
Okay.
And this is my work as an actor. I think I've been doing this for more than 12 years na siguro. And I just, kumbaga parang for me, yes, it's amazing exposure. And it could give me so much more than I have now. Pero ang focus ko lang po kasi talaga ngayon is getting better at what what I think I'm good at, just acting. So that's where my head's at. But it's not a never. Maybe in the future, maybe when I'm more, siguro open. Siguro not now. But who knows? Yeah.
Jello, ikaw, would you be open?
Parang hirap ng tanong na yun, pero ako ngayon, why not? Kasi kung...
Bakit mahirap?
Kumbaga, i-ready mo talaga sarili mo dyan mentally. Kasi hindi naman yung normal na ginagawa mo everyday na may phone, mga kasama mo sa buhay, ganyan. Pero ako, kung makakabuting way naman to para ipakilala ko yung sarili ko and my group, EGYO, why not?
Dalawang big winner kasama niyo, Angie and Brent, di ba? So, kung kailangan nyo ng tips, yan lang, kausapin nyo lang yung dalawa. Jella, would you be open? Hingin ka ng tips sa kabilang side.
When I think about it, now kasi parang malabo. Because if, let's say the next season, I can join because I'm currently in med school now. So, I don't really have the time na kailangan for that, like being isolated or so right now no, but in the future we don't know.
That's right.
I don't know, maybe, yes.
Si Annalyn before I go to Crystal.
If given the chance, yes, I wouldn't say no to it because it's such a big opportunity. Maybe for the second batch of the collab, third time's the charm, This is gonna be the third time I'm gonna be auditioning for PBB. So, tingnan natin.
Okay.
But if it's really not meant for me, I'm not gonna push for it because I know there's so much more opportunities outside the house.
Okay. I pray for your happy heart. Crystal.
Siguro for now po, no, not yet. I already tried po for the most recent collab. And I think it was a sign that I wasn't put in. And I think that's okay, because right now I'm in first year college. I'm trying to pursue that, and I have other projects going on for me. So I'll just focus on those for now.
So, may nagpo-focus kasi sa school, no? Si Jella sa si Crystal. Okay, lalayo ko na yung mic sa akin sa pina-punchline ko na si Anna Lane. Kate Adahar.
Hi, my question is for Angie. Can you describe yung 4 bad boys na naka-work mo as workmates?
As workmates? You know what? First of all, ito yung similarities ng lahat. Sorry na, nabubulol. But yung similarities ng the 4 bad boys, well, I am stepping out on my zone, in my comfort zone, in my bubble. I wasn't afraid to go out because they make me comfortable. Kasi ang bilis nilang katrabaho, ang gaan nilang kasama, and then there's this parang energy na it's just really attractive and it's really warm, na it makes me feel like, although na I'm working, it makes me feel like, you know, I'm hanging out with my friends, na parang feeling ko talaga estudyante din ako, feeling ko din talaga na parang, grabe, mapapagano na lang, kung sa isip ko, mapapagano na lang talaga ako na, wow, these people are so kind, and you make me feel so warm, and I'm so blessed to have them. Grabe, ang bait ni Lord.
Kayo ka closest sa apat?
Closest sa apat? I would say si Jello, kasi lagi ko ito ka-eksena eh. Dalugaw. Si Derek Dalugaw.
Thank you. And for Derek, consecutively po kasi naka-work nyo sa mga recent projects nyo are veteran actors, ganyan. So, ano po yung naging advantage or fun part na maka-work ang mga newbies? Relatively.
Ayun, actually mahilig akong iba-iba eh. And it's really refreshing when you're working with new actors. I have projects ng mga bago. Actually, yun nga, challenge sa akin lagi na makadiscover ng bagong mga artista, tapos put them in character. Kasi talaga, sa start ang nagpapasikat sa artista yung character eh. Diba? Maski sa book, diba, nababasa yung character gano'n. So it's really a challenge and it's fun for me na yung mga artista na to. And may intention talaga kami ng yung ABS had an intention for this project. They wanted a new batch of leading men and women. I think we're gonna achieve it eh. Kita nyo naman, di ba? This is the next, di ba? This is the next generation and I'm happy to be part of it.
Thank you po. Thank you, MJ.
I'm sorry, nakikipag-checkahan ako dito sa likod. Kasama ang team ng YouTube and ABS-CBN YouTube Entertainment. King, salamat. Si Chris ng One Music ang magtatanong.
Hi, kay Angie.
It's a balance between being a singer and being an actress. Gaano katimbang yung both fields sa'yo, and also at the same time, tanong ko na rin, as an actress, ano yung parang goals mo na nasa bucket list mo?
Nasa bucket list ko is to make a lot of mistakes, because that's where I'll learn. And I am the kind of person who really loves to learn and who really loves to parang be good at my field. At saka hindi natin malalaman kung saan tayo mag-i-improve kung hindi tayo magkakamali.
Tama!
So yeah.
Parang ready si Angie sa mga pageant answers tonight.
And kay Jello naman, can we expect more acting gigs from you in the future? And also, based on your experience, and also,
Actually, pwede ko na rin idagdag dyan si Jella, because this is the first time that Jella's acting. So, we start with Jello first. Jello and Jella, no? Jello, can we expect more acting projects now that you've experienced acting?
Ako po, simula pa lang muna isa ito sa mga pangarap ko, and if given a chance na magkaroon ulit ako ng project, syempre tatanggapin natin.
Jella, ikaw naman.
Same with Jello, if merong opportunity, then why not? Pero if hindi kaya, hindi naman pipilitin. But yeah, open to opportunities.
Love team.
Ako?
Oo. Hindi. Ako. May nag-react ng facial expression dito sa gilid, eh. Okay. Thank you. Meron ko sa question, Hannah. You're good? Okay.